All right, let's move forward verifying identities. We need to prove that the sine squared of theta plus the cosine squared of theta over tangent of x is equal to the cotangent of x. Now, the first thing that I want to do is I am looking to the numerator of the left, and I notice that this is an identity. Sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x is just a 1. So this is really 1 over tangent of x. And I'm saying that equals to the cotangent of x. And right here, right now, most of you know that 1 over tangent is cotangent because cotangent is the reciprocal function for tangent. So that is literally what cotangent of x is 1 over tangent. If you don't know that, you can take the next step, rewrite tangent and cotangent in terms of sine and cosines and see what happens. If we do that, we would have 1 over the sine of theta over the cosine of theta. And that's equal to the cosine of theta over sine of theta. Notice what happens here. We have a 1 over sine of theta over cosine of theta. So this would be that keep, change, flip situation where we would be multiplying 1 times the reciprocal of the bottom of this. So we would end up with the cosine of theta over the sine of theta. Now you could prove this in one step and just be done right here, just rewriting this as cotangent of theta, or you can go to do 2 more steps and change it to sines and cosines. It really does not matter. They're both the same as long as you know both of these identities. And with that being the case, guys, we know that the right is equal to the left. We verified it. This one is done. We can move on.